When approaching a problem like number 1 here for target A, it's important to note that the form that we're going to be inputting is y equals mx plus b. And so it's pretty easy, since our m and our b are provided, we just have to input it directly into that equation. So our y will always be the same, it'll just be that, equals, our m is 3, then our x, and then normally you'd have plus, but since it's a negative b, we'll just do a minus 7. And that's it. Now in these problems down here, when we're asked to create the same equation based off of what we're provided in the graph, it may look like it's a lot more difficult, but visually it's a lot more easy to deal with. So for number 6, you want to first look at your y-axis, so the one that runs up and down, and you want to see where that line crosses. So our line here crosses at 1, and that's what our b is. It's positive 1. And then to find our m, we'll use rise over run. So m is equal to rise over run, and this is over here is just a little tool to kind of consider what's going on here. So we're going to start at this dot here, this 1, and we're going to go first rise, so up 1, 2 to where we're level with that other dot. So we've risen 2, and then we're going to run 1, 2, 3. And the way that I know that they're both positive is, well, if we go up, it's positive, and since we went to the right, that's positive. Had we had a point over here, if we would have gone up, which would have been positive, but then if we would have had to travel left, that would have been negative. But ignoring all that, we can now form an equation. So still respecting y equals mx plus b, we'll put our equation all together. So y equals, our m is 2/3, x always comes into play, and then since we have a positive 1, it's plus 1.